Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for yet another class. I'm Ashwini, an artist from India, and today's painting is my absolute favorite. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. Yes, here it is. Isn't it beautiful, right? So to paint this, the colors we need are phthalo blue, cobalt blue, turquoise blue, sap green, dark green or indigo, purple, Indian yellow, rose sienna or yellow ochre, and burnt umber. I'm sure you guys gonna love it. So let's begin. So here, as usual, I'm using my favorite book from Irish paper. I just really love this book. These are the paintings I taught during last few weeks. So here I have taped down my paper. Let's have a very simple sketch. So I'm zooming it for you guys so that you can see the sketch clearly. So now let's apply water to the sky region only. I'll be keeping it real time so that you guys can follow it. You can adjust the speed the way you want to. You can increase or decrease it as per your choice. Now I'm using phthalo blue first, and do watch it carefully so that you can understand how I will be painting the sky for this painting. So now I'm using cobalt blue. Do watch it carefully, as I said earlier. Yeah, now the sky part is done. I am not waiting for it to dry. I wanted to make a foliage part behind the mountain. So here I am using sap green and applying, and actually I am dropping, I should say dropping. I am dropping it behind the mountain region. And yes, I'll be adding different tones of green, darker green, lighter green, different tones gives a depth to the painting. And somehow I am not happy with the mountain part, so I'm just making it as a part of forest behind. So let's do that. Let's complete. And I am using indigo to create the darker regions in the forest. You can use dark green. As I said earlier, different tonal values gives more depth to the painting. And here I don't want an harsh edge to the forest region, so I am just wiping it with a clean coat of water. It spreads actually, it's okay if it comes to the water region, it's totally fine. Now we will work on the land part while the forest part will be drying out. So I am applying water to this region where our meadow is gonna be. So I have used Indian yellow and I'm just dropping it to the bottom part of the land region, and I'll be leaving white spaces in between. And then here I'm using sap green. And now let's take the purple color, same as earlier. I'll be dropping it the purple color here and there. And if you don't have a purple color in your palette, you can mix blue and red. You'll get a purple color. Here I have mixed phthalo blue and quinacridone red. So here I'm adding few lines with sap green using my detailing brush. And yeah, for now that's it. Let's wait for it to dry. Yeah, I guess it has already dried. So let's apply water to the water region. I am keeping a masking tape below the book to get an angle. And here I've used turquoise blue. And I wanted to keep the bottom region lighter than the upper region, top region of the water. And now let's take rose sienna, or you may use yellow ochre, and apply it to the right corner where I am planning to get the sand part. Yeah, let's add a few lines or maybe few dots in that sand region using burnt umber. Yeah, that's it. Now that my meadow pet has already dried, I'm reapplying water there to add different tones of colors like burnt umber, sap green, and even darker purple colors. So here I've added few lines using burnt umber and sap green. Yeah, and it's done. Yeah, our painting is completed. I must tell you, I have fallen in love with this work. I hope you guys also loved it too. So do give it a try. I really can't wait to see your recreations on this, and if you're sharing it in your social media, do tag me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is @SeptemberFleur. And thank you for watching again. Have a good day.